In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manually enroll a contact into a sequence in Hubspot. Whether you're a seasoned HubSpot user or just getting started, knowing how to manually enroll contacts into sequences is an essential skill for managing your communication routines effectively. So let's dive in and work through the process together. First things first, let's head over to HubSpot's homepage. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to hubspot.com. Once you're there, look for the login option, usually situated at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the login button and proceed to enter your HubSpot credentials. If you haven't logged in for a while, you may need to authenticate your access, so keep your phone or email handy for any verification steps. Once you've successfully logged in, the HubSpot homepage is where you'll land. This is your centralized hub for all things HubSpot, offering an overview of your dashboard and various tools at your disposal. Here, you'll want to locate the automations menu. It's typically represented by a cog or gear icon, which should clue you in on where to find it. Hover over it and click to reveal a drop-down menu. From the automations options, select sequences. This section houses all the automated sequences you've created or are in the process of developing. If you're new to this feature, think of sequences as your customizable chain of automated emails, tasks, and actions that help you nurture leads or follow up with potential clients seamlessly. Now, once you're in the sequences section, your next task is to create a new sequence. On the top right corner, look for a button labeled New Sequence. Click this button to start building your sequence from scratch. If you have a pre-existing template, you can choose to customize it here. You will be prompted to fill in various details like the sequence name, actions and timing settings to tailor the experience for your target audience. After setting up your sequence, it's time to enroll your contacts manually. To do this, look for the Enroll Contacts button, typically found within the sequence you've just created or selected. This button allows you to manually add individual contacts or lists of contacts directly into the sequence, enabling them to start receiving the automated communications and actions you've specified. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've now successfully learned how to manually enroll a contact into a sequence in HubSpot. This skill comes in handy when you want a more hands-on approach to managing your customer relationships and ensuring that your communications are both targeted and effective. Stay tuned for more tutorials and make sure to explore HubSpot's extensive features to maximize your marketing and sales efforts. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.